everyone, I'm Bhavya Garg. Welcome back to my channel again. So, this is my first vlog officially. So, I'm gonna show you the University of Calgary tour, and I'm going to cover several topics in this video. So, I'll show you how this university looks and also why I chose this university to do my masters in geology and all the things which are very fascinating and how it's looking in summer. So this is August, so it's kind of summer. So yeah, let's go for a tour. So as you can see behind me, this is the gate of University of Calgary, and I'm gonna walk and show you a whole university one by one. So you can see in Calgary or in Canada, this is like a pathway you can cross, and while you're crossing, cars को रुकना पड़ता है जब तक आप cross नहीं करते. So you can see behind me, this is the bus stop. So this is a very good quality of living here. आप यहाँ बस से भी आ सकते हो, और ये buses all of the university पूरा घूमती है, तो आपको जहाँ पे भी जाना है किसी भी बिल्डिंग के पास, वो आपको वहाँ उतार देगी. And second way is C train station. तो जो मैं आपको अभी थोड़ी देर में दिखाऊंगी, उससे भी आप यहाँ पे आ सकते हो. And of course third is your own car. If you have a car, you can come by this. So in Canada, if you are near to school area or university area, your car speed should be 30 max, as you can see. So let's go. Here I've seen a very different thing. So like in India, when I was doing my bachelor's, there was a gate for the university to enter. So there were like security guards and all those stuff. But here, there are no gates. There are like several different ways to enter university. There is no one standing here. Anyone can come, anyone can go to the university just for a tour. So it's like very, I think, good thing. And also if there's something, so of course they gonna take care of that. So from here, different buildings has been started of different departments. So you can see that glass building. So this is library building. This is the most beautiful building of the university. So yeah, there are kind of different buildings as you can see. Let's go. Today is Saturday, that's why you can see there are no people, otherwise it's very full. So you can see this pole is showing directions for different buildings. As you can see, like professional faculties building, educational block, Taylor Family Library, which I showed you here. So yeah, come. So now I'm going to cover why I chose Calgary, why I chose University of Calgary. Because my background is in oil and gas, and I research a lot that in Canada, Calgary is the oil and gas hub. So in Calgary, of course, University of Calgary is the top university. So that's why I chose. Because I have a background of bachelor's in geology, that's why I did masters in geology from here. So if anyone is interested in oil and gas, petroleum, geology, geophysics, then this is a university for you. And also there's another university, University of Alberta, which is in Edmonton. So these two are very pretty good, which they are in Alberta, and they have several courses, covers oil and gas. And yeah, and I think the good part of studying here is there's a lot of freedom. So like you can go anywhere, you can do anything, anytime. If you wanna eat in class, you can eat. No one is gonna say anything. And yeah, there's a lot of freedom. If you're not well, just like आप कभी भी क्लास में से बीच में से उठ के निकल जा सकते हो. Like some, it's very good. Like for me, in every course there was a lab. So I feel if you are doing theory, then practical is important, the same as theory is important. So that was a good part. And also in my masters, I wrote research paper for every course, and then you have to present it. So I learned many skills here, like presentation skills, communication skills, how to talk people, how to do networking. So I think these things I learned here coming in Canada, and वो आपको आगे जॉब लेने में बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्प करेगी. And I'm gonna make some more vlogs over these topics: how to get a job, how to get an internship, and how to make a resume and all those stuff. So yeah, that's for now. Let's come and go to the university. University is very beautiful and बहुत बड़ी है. And in winters you will see the snow till here, and this is summer, and then like in towards May and June it's beautiful. A lot of flowers would be here in trees. So I think different experience in different weathers here. Like you can see, it's pretty beautiful. So, as I've showed you the library, which is that class building, now we are going inside McEwen Hall. So, what is McEwen Hall? It has food court, it has student clubs, student unions. If you have any inquiry, it has student office, it has Starbucks, bookstore, and a lot of sitting space for students. So, yeah, let's go and come inside. It's summer break, that's why all the things are closed here. So this McEwen Hall has two different floors. We are on basement, and above it's a large food court. But here also there are some shops. You can see Subway here, and this is Campus Vision Eye Shop. So you can see this is Opa. It's very famous, and I genuinely love Opa. When I was studying here, I used to eat Opa a lot. That was RBC, and there is a policy in RBC. If you take RBC account, they are gonna give you free iPad. So yeah, if anyone is new, you can definitely check this. So as you can see, there are cash withdrawal machines. You can withdraw money anytime. And this is the bookstore I was talking about. It has all the hoodies, t-shirts, caps, all the stationery, and yeah, a lot more stuff. It's closed because it's summer break, so it's closed. So after the bookstore, this is Starbucks. This is also closed, unfortunately. So now we are going to go above to the McEwen. This is the basement. This is first floor. So this is the first floor. As you can see, this is student union clubs. So this is the office for student union. That is pharmacy. You can see how beautiful it is. So there are different food options. You can see pizza, A&W, Tim Hortons, and a lot. But almost all are closed. And if you go above, there is a doctor facility. So if you are enrolled as a student, you can go anytime to see a doctor. You can book an appointment, and I think Universe has a very good facility for doctors. You can see above there's a dental choice. So if you have any problem in tooth, you can come here. If you're a student only, then only. And it's a space. You can do anything here. So this is the main food court of the university. So yeah, this is the all dining space. So here there's a thing. Whatever you are gonna eat, you have to collect that, clean the table, and you have to bring here and throw it. So you can't just आप table पे उसको नहीं छोड़ सकते. And there's also a space beautiful here. You can sit out. Also, यहाँ पे फूड कोर्ट में डिफरेंट क्यूजीन्स के शॉप्स भी हैं. इफ़ यू आर कोरियन, देयर इज़ अ कोरियन शॉप, एंड if you are from China, there's a Chinese shop. So there are different kinds of cuisine shops. People have opened it. So you can see there's a Korean house there. It's a burger shop. So yeah. So आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे माइक्रोवेव्स हैं इन फूड कोर्ट. तो अपने लंच गर्म कर सकते हो. एंड दिस इज़ अ वेरी गुड पार्ट, क्योंकि मैं अपना लंच रात को बनाती हूँ एंड देन आप उसको फ्रिज पे रख देते हो एंड देन सुबह लेके आते हो. ठंडा कैसे खाओगे? आई थिंक दिस इज़ वेरी गुड कि यहाँ पे माइक्रोवेव है. Now we are going to go Earth Science building where I used to take my classes. और यहाँ पे क्योंकि विंटर से -30 -40 होता है, तो ऑल द बिल्डिंग्स आर कनेक्टेड. क्योंकि आप ठंड में बाहर जाओगे, इट्स वेरी वेरी कोल्ड. सो आई एम गोना शो यू द पार्ट वे which I used to take for my building from food court to Earth Science. I'll show you one thing. That was my favorite place to sit when I was studying there, because it's kind of very secretive, and yeah, I like this place to sit. So yeah, let's go. Also, I will show you one thing. Here, gates. If you like, you can just. I don't know where is that. Yeah, that's it. If you just press this, gate is gonna open automatically. So in winters, this helps a lot because आपके हाथ इतने freeze हो जाते हैं बाहर से. You can't open the gate. You can just press this and it will open. So yeah, this is connected. This is science B building. So my class used to have science B or science A. This is also a sitting area. University has a lot of sitting area. You can see different buildings are connected all together. Very silent and empty. So this is Earth Science building, and I'll show you one of the class. So this is a class, and this is the projector. It just comes down, and this is the board if professor wanna write anything. And yeah. Here is a vending machine. You just have to type which thing you want to take and just scan your card and it will come down. So I think I used this 1 or 2 times. I hardly use this because I feel it's expensive. Yeah, let's go. This is the sitting area where students studying, so they have like charger points. Yeah, and this university has a lot of sitting area like this where they provide charging points for laptops, proper studying equipments. And yeah, I used to study here a lot because, and also यहाँ पे कोई भी शोर नहीं करता. It's very silent. It's very good. So we have different classrooms. Here are the lockers of the students. I don't think so master students do take lockers. I think bachelor students take lockers because they generally have for like 5 years there. But for masters, you're just for here for 2 years, right? So you have to pay $10 per month. I don't think so कोई pay करता है. They usually take the bachelor students. अगर वो कुछ खेलते हैं, उन्हें कुछ bottle रखना है, so they take lockers. So now I'm gonna show you drinking water. So here is like you have to press this and you can drink like this, or you wanna fill water bottle, you can just fill water bottle like this. And this is the filtered water. So yeah, this thing it's like everywhere in the university and it's good, but this has very pretty chilled water every time. But yeah, this is just showing different research papers of professors, students. This is garbage. So this is Earth Science building. As you can see, it has different buildings going this way. My classes used to have like on the first floor or ground floor here. And this is the different library, and it is specifically for our science, for geology. It's called Gallagher Library. You can see there. It has all the mock samples, mineral samples. If you wanna have some book, any research paper, it has everything. This is actually the first time. Oh, you can just scan your uni ID, you can take any book. Yeah, it's cool. This is left. If you want to go up or down. Yeah, let's go outside. I'll show you some. No, I forgot to tell you one thing. So these bars are mainly they made for handicaps. So you can see the handicap sign. Just press it. Oh, it didn't work. Anyway, so just go outside. So that is Earth Science, and now we are going to shift to Schoolish Engineering Building. It has different kinds of engineering buildings inside it, like chemical, petroleum, electrical, environmental, and many more. And you can see that building, it's written CNRL building. So CNRL is a company which produces, it's one of the largest oil producer in Canada. So the company which gives some money to the university, they have written their name on that building. So they have invested something here, so that's why they have name on it. So it's like Suncor. Suncor is another company. It also has their name on the building. Yeah, like different oil and gas companies have invested their research projects in students. So all are connected, like all the professors, all the industry professionals, all are connected here. I feel Calgary is like a small community of oil and gas. Everyone knows everyone, and I think that's a very good part in related to networking, because here professors are very, very famous and everyone just knows them. So our next way of going is gym, swimming. So that's a very different building. It's called kinesiology, I guess. Yeah, so it has gym, swimming, badminton, tennis, all that sort of thing. So let's go. It's a bit sunny today. I'll tell you very weird thing about, I don't know, Canada or Calgary. Every day you will feel different. So yesterday it was like 5 degrees, today is 22. So every day you can feel different weathers, and even in summer. Some days are very cold, some days are very hot. It's raining, it's windy, and I think I like this environment because every day is different. It's not too hot, it's not too cold, so I love summer here. So I forgot to tell you, there is a fourth way of coming to the university. Bicycle. So this is a bicycle stand. So people take this. It charges some money for every trip. I never use this because I don't know how to drive. So, but yeah, students come with this. So let's go inside the building. This is kinesiology building, which has gym, swimming, all sort of stuff. So this is the kinesiology building, and the students who study sports medicine, they also have classes there. You can see different kinds of things. This is Dinos. It represents University of Calgary. So this is gym. It's a very big gym and it's a very good gym. I used to come here. So this is the place outside of Olympic Oval. You can see that place. It is for like convocation. I had my convocation here, and it is for all the ice sports, ice skating. It is closed now. That's why I'm showing you from the outside. So in winters, people go for here for ice skating. And this is just our outside view. So I graduated in 2025. So you can see class of 2025. I have a photo here because हम लोग यहाँ से ओलंपिक ओवर से उतर के निकल के इधर पे आए थे, and I have a lot of photos here. So as you can see, this is the red pool where people play volleyball, badminton, and sports. As you can see, they are playing. It's free for students, but if you're an alumni, you have to pay some fee, and then you can join gym, swimming, gold gym, red gym, anything. I was coming out from the gym and I just saw this. This is something new. I never seen this thing here in university. I think it's spread here. You can just walk and do exercise. I think it's pretty cool. You can just stand there and do work. This is something new. I graduated. Maybe they just put it now. And now we are going to outside of the university. I used to shoot my dance videos a lot here because it has very beautiful view. This is another dummy of dinos. So I think I tried to cover everything as much as I know. If you have any questions related to this university or anything about Canada, Calgary, anything, just comment down and I will make sure I'll answer all of your questions. And if it's a very big topic, I'll make a video, separate video on that topic. I hope you like my video. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe my channel and join with me in this journey. Thank you so much. Bye bye.